Okay guys, we're going to go over the styles now. The style is how you control the size, the color, and the font of an element. On your first try it yourself here, once you notice that all they did was they took this P command, hit the space bar, and typed in style equals open parenthesis color. We'll just do green. Semicolon, close quotes. See how that turned it green? Now what if you want to apply multiple styles? What if you want this to be big and red? This is a new one, so pay attention here. This will trip people up. After the semicolon, it's just space, color, equals, or wait, not equals, colon. Semicolon. Run it. Now I'm big and red. And you can put as many of these in here as you want. Style equals font size 50, color red, font, whatever you need can go in there. There's no limit on how many times you can keep going with that. So setting the style of an element can be done with the style attribute. The style attribute has the following syntax: tag name style. Okay, we just played with that. The property is a CSS property, cascading style sheet property. The value is a CSS value. Okay, we'll learn more about that later. Okay, background color is a cool one. I like to put it in the body because if you do it using individual paragraphs, I'll show you what happens. But if you do have several different paragraphs and you really want to make it look flashy, okay, there it is right here. This is what happens. I guess there'd be applications that'd be useful. Okay. And then you can define the color of the text in your heading and the color of text in your paragraph. Now notice here's the closed tag. I don't want that to trip you up. This would normally just have, H1 if it just closed out right here and then had all this in there. Actually, it'll probably run with this being the text of the heading. So let's just run it. So now it has the default H1 size, color, and all that. So these aren't so bad, are they? This can be confusing if you're not familiar with typography. I would go over to Microsoft Word. This computer's really lagging, I'm sorry. Whoa, come on, come back. There we go. And check out what font you want right here. Well, you've got a glance of it anyhow. Maybe you like this one, think that looks cool. But that's where I would figure out what font you want. I would use Microsoft Word. Linux has, what's it called, OpenOffice. Mac has Pages. So there's a lot of different ways you can get to this information of what font you want to use. And then size, obviously. We played with that in the last exercise. Oh, and text alignment. I've been having you guys make an element out of the center, open center, and close center tags. But this is all you need. Put it right in your paragraph, whatever, instead of having the whole thing surrounded by center tags. This would probably be a good thing to copy down and put into your notepad. I always tell you guys, take notes on Microsoft Word. All you got to do is copy and paste it out, and that way it's a lot easier for you to find than having to dig through all these different references down here, because you can see how many there are. Okay, so style equals, change the paragraph to blue. Okay, we're in the paragraph command, so okay, so that was correct. Alright, and that's it. And the next video should be an assignment explanation. I'll try to figure out some way to turn this into some sort of an assignment. And that's it.